Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to learn about the present continuous tense in its negative form. This is how we talk about actions that are not happening right now at this moment. To make negative sentences in present continuous, we follow a simple pattern. Take the subject, then add the verb am, is, or are, followed by not, and finally add your main verb with ing at the end. For example, I am not eating. She is not playing. They are not studying. Notice how not comes between the be verb and the main verb with ing. In everyday English, we usually use contractions to sound more natural. With I am not, we contract it to I'm not. For he, she, or it with is not, we use isn't. For you, we, and they with are not, we use aren't. These contractions make your speech flow better and sound more like a native speaker. Let's practice with the pronoun I. I'm not sleeping right now means you are awake at this moment. I'm not eating breakfast tells someone you are not having breakfast currently. I'm not watching TV means the television is off or you're doing something else. I'm not working today means you have a day off or are not at your job right now. Now let's use third-person singular pronouns. He isn't driving to work means he is using another form of transportation or staying home. She isn't cooking dinner tells us that someone else is cooking or there's no cooking happening. It isn't raining outside means the weather is dry right now. The dog isn't barking means the dog is quiet at this moment. For plural subjects, we use aren't. We aren't playing football means our group is doing something else instead of playing. You aren't listening to me suggests the person is distracted or not paying attention right now. They aren't studying English means those people are busy with other activities. The children aren't sleeping tells us the kids are still awake at this time. Let's compare positive and negative forms to understand the difference clearly. In positive, we say I am eating, but in negative, we say I'm not eating. For positive, she is reading, but negative becomes she isn't reading. And for positive, they are dancing changes to they aren't dancing in negative. The only change is adding not after the be verb. Before we finish, let's review 4 important points. First, always use am not, isn't, or aren't with your verb that has ing. Second, remember this tense describes what is not happening at this exact moment. Third, using contractions makes your English sound much more natural in conversation. And fourth, make sure you match the correct be verb with your subject. Practice these points, and you'll master the present continuous negative form. Keep learning and see you in the next lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.